Hello guys, welcome back to another Python tutorial. In this tutorial, I will be showing you how you can download library for Python. So first of all, you have to just go to the location of where your Python is installed. For this, you can type Python on your start menu and just right click on it, uh, open file location. So that this location will be of the shortcut. You have to again do the same procedure. Click on open file location. Now here go to scripts. Now type cmd. Now suppose I want to install the library pygame. I have already installed, so I have to uninstall it. So I will just uninstall it. To uninstall, you have to type pip uninstall pygame. That's it. Rest of the work will be done by the command prompt. Just write y. It says proceed. I will yes proceed. Wait for a while. Done. Now I have an example of pygame, so let me show you. If I don't have a pygame file, then what will be the error given by the program. So here is the program of pygame library used by me. So I will just build it to show you the error. So it is saying there's no module named pygame. So let's remove this error by installing the pygame library or pygame module. All you have to do is just type pip install pygame and it will automatically download. Make sure the internet is available while downloading the module. Just wait for a while so that it can download the pygame module in your system. Meanwhile, I will just explain the code that I have made for this. Oh, it's already been done. So yes, it has downloaded. Now let me show you by building it. It will just display the frame of the game. See here. Okay, I will just close it and let me explain you this. So here I have imported pygame module. In this I will telling the Python to that I will be using the function of this module pygame. So for using that functions, we have to initialize the pygame module. Where there I have initialized it. Now first thing I want is the size. How much size does my screen will contain of the game? So here will be the size given 700, 500. I have given it, and here it's the pygame dot display function dot set mode 700 500. Okay, now suppose I want to give the name. So you know that the name of the game appears here. So for making that name, you have to use the function dot display dot set caption cool game. You will be seeing that. Let me build it. You'll be seeing the cool game written over here. Yeah. Okay. Now let me just close it again. Now clock is the main feature of your game, and according to this, your game's frame changes according to the frame per second given by here. Clock takes 60 seconds. It's like a delay or sleep in C++ or Java. And suppose now I have to close it. There is the close button will not work until I will give this crash is equals to false. Suppose my game crashed in between, so what should I do? So let's just define a variable crash equals false. It will automatically take as a boolean. So I will run the loop till the game not crashed. So game can be crashed when the user click on the close button. So when the user click on the close button, the event will occur which will be pygame.quit. So so when user will click pygame.quit, then we will make the crash equals to true, and it will automatically quit the pygame.quit and quit automatically over the loop. And the second will be pygame.quit. It will quit the game. It will quit the game. For making this event, the pygame gives us the event.get function in which we can get every event.type. So suppose I'm moving the mouse in the screen, then I want to print the event. So here you can print the event of the mouse where it has been clicked or moved. So let me just build and show you. It will be appearing here, the mouse motion. See, when I will enter the mouse on the screen, it will automatically start taking the location of the mouse. See here. Like this it goes. Mouse motion, mouse button up, mouse button down. See here. I will click it, it will say mouse down and button up. Move it, mouse motion. Right click it, mouse down up. This works like this. Now I'll just close it. Well, that's all for today's. I will be giving this code on the description of my video. You can just copy paste and run it on your sideline after installing pygame. Okay guys, thank you for watching. If you like this video, then press like and stay tuned for the next pygame tutorials.